Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor. I'm coming at you from a little bit of a different location this time. I'm working in my home office today, but it is Market Update Monday, and I am here with the February market update, February of 2020 versus 2019. Can you believe that it is March? I can't believe it's March. Oh my gosh. And spring break, no less. So I just cannot even believe how fast time is flying this year, but we are already into almost done even with the third quarter of 2020. Okay, so again. Good news, good news, good news, good news. I always have that for you. So average sales prices are up again across the Metroplex from 2019 to 2020. In Tarrant County, we jumped from 274 to 296. I mean, it's just unbelievable how much growth we had in a year as far as average sales prices. Another thing that people are very concerned about is days on market. In Tarrant County, we actually went down a couple days. Last year at this time, it was 48 days on the market. This year, it was 46 days on the market in the month of February. So we are still in that over a month, but not 2 months yet. So still looking very good. The number of closed sales was higher this year than it was last year, only by about 100 houses, but still it has not slowed down, so that is good news. The number of homes for sale, though, that is an interesting number. We're down about 2,000 houses, 17,000 to 15,000 of what we had at this time last year. So what that says to me is that this spring could look a little bit tighter again because of low inventory. So low inventory is good for sellers. If you're thinking about selling your house, that's a great time to do it, low inventory. If you're thinking about buying a house, great time to do it. Did anybody notice what the Fed did with interest rates last week? So they are lower yet again. So everybody's proven me wrong. I keep saying they're gonna go up, and that's what I keep being told, but then I was wrong once again. So I'm happy that they are still down. They will eventually start to go up, but right now we can enjoy the fact that they are low. If you are looking to get additional information about your property or your neighborhood or properties that you are interested in, please let us know. We would love to help you. You can comment here, send us a private message, or shoot me a text, give me a call, click on our email, whatever the best way is for you to communicate sounds great, and we would love to help in any way we can. Hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks so much.